Alonzo asked, because I mentioned that we're going to cover Social Security retirement in another. We're going to cover pension max too. Largely, we'll cover that. Cover a lot of things on that one. Okay, so the next topic is estate planning documents. And surprise, surprise, a lot of people don't necessarily realize this. Everybody has an estate plan. You already have one. What you don't know is that it comes from the state. The state already has one for you. The question is, do you like what the state has already prepared for you, or do you want your wishes known if they're going to be different? So that's the first main thing is you already have an estate plan. Everybody has one. And the way that it often goes is that if you died intestate, which is a legal term, meaning that you died without a will, you died without a trust, you have no documents, you died intestate. I don't know where the legal profession comes up with these words. It means nothing to me. It's just a weird terminology. But if you died intestate, then the government gets to, the court, the probate court, family court, whoever it's going to be, the probate court, they get to decide who's going to get your stuff. And usually it's going to go first to your living spouse, and then it will go to your surviving children. Now, we played that video, I forgot how long ago it was, about the father who passed away, and he didn't name the beneficiary correctly for his IRA. Therefore, his wife of 2 months got the IRA as opposed to who his named beneficiaries should have been, at least according to the oldest daughter. Yes, intestate. Yes, and it's not a freeway. I'm sorry, that's a terrible joke. All right. I've had a long day, and I'm going to be up all night tonight anyway. So anyway, if you don't list your beneficiary designations, or if you list ineligible beneficiary designations, then it's all going to go to whoever the probate court says. And what's interesting is that the probate court will charge a fee based on the probate estate. And that's actually the technical term, the probate estate, which means anything that does not have a beneficiary designation or a transfer on death designation, anything that doesn't have any of that, it's going to go through the probate system, and they're going to determine who gets your stuff. In addition, if you have minor age children, the court will determine who the appropriate guardian is going to be. That may or may not be what you want, depending on how old your kids are, depending on who else is in your life and their life. So there's a lot of factors on that. But I do have a YouTube video on my channel about estate planning basics, and it is from two very talented women attorneys that are here in the Temecula area. It's based for California, but the principles probably apply everywhere. Obviously, and it's funny because I'll go through the stats. We get the podcast goes. What do we have? Poland, we had Ecuador, and other things. Wherever you're listening to this thing, get the right proper legal advice for wherever the hell you are.